Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll briefly explain to you how to do SEO on Etsy. So you have to use the words that buyers would likely type into the searching bar when they search for your product. You have to put the most important words in the title and repeat them in the 13 tags. Also, you have to include them in the first part of the description as well. And of course, you have to pick the right categories and attributes for your item. Also, you have to use high quality photos in all image slots. And of course, you have to encourage your customers to write reviews to your item to boost ranking. And of course, you need to keep the shop active by regularly adding new listings to your shop. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.